Do it again.
I like balls in my face.
I like balls in my face. I like balls in my face.
I'm a stupid toy. Beaver fever. Bieber fever. Damn it.
I hate Justin Bieber.
I love Justin Bieber. Why won't you say his name? I asked you first. Don't piss me off, bitch. Oh, you won't even cuss at me? Say bitch. Damn it won't cuss.
Bitch.
Does this bird not cuss?
Bitch.
He won't say it. I said bitch and I said damn it and he's like, I'm like,
Bitch. Bitch.
it won't cuss back at me. I'm getting mad that it won't do it back. You're not a good parrot.
Do it again, do it again.
Bitch. It said bitch. Wait, are there any other
Fuck
customers
you.
in there? I was like, I'm
Fuck
over
you.
here swearing at a parrot. It doesn't exist. Oh. Rah.
What the heck? That didn't even sound like you.
Grr. I like chicken.
I eat birds. I eat birds. I eat birds. Why?
I eat birds. Balls and testicles. Wow, I feel so immature. I've spent like 30 minutes in this store. I'm like such a child.
I just
right
want to keep
about
this in my room, and then whenever someone talks, it'll just be so annoying.
now. I'm like, shut the hell up, mom. And then just shove the bird out the room. Shut the hell up, mom. Shut. I have to pee. I'm so easily fascinated. Bitch, shut up.
What the hell?
Are you making ice cubes?
You're a stupid bird.
I really have to pee.
You're stupid. You're stupid. Why is everyone? You're stupid. It won't talk. You're stupid.
You have to be loud like me.
You're stupid.
Only works for black people.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
Okay, see, like, it really doesn't like me.
Oh, okay, I feel so immature.